Hey guys, it's your boy the Monetary Programs here with an unboxing video. As you can see on the side of the box. Yes, my 3D printer has arrived, which is amazing. Yes, my main phone is actually cracked out, damaged, so I'm using a spare phone and plugging it like that. So in the box we have some sample filament. That's that to the side. As you can see, some cautions, nice sticker. Looks like a sticker. Yep, there's a sticker. The manual for it, The volume is 120 by 135 by 100 millimeters. So it's quite neat. Small print size, but still it's workable enough. It uses 110 and 220 voltage at 1 amp. So I'm guessing it doesn't drain that much power. In here we have the printer itself. This is the build plate, everything, stuff ready to lift up box inside. This is just a short unboxing video. Really, it's not that big of a deal. It's supposed to come with a handle and stuff, and a few tools. Oddly enough, I'm not really seeing where it would be. I know it's pathetic to call this video an unboxing video. Well, it's like this, but hey, all I can mainly do right now at this time. But I'm gonna remove it. Actually, sorry about that. I'll skip all that. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Stops right now, so I'm gonna have to pause the video. BRB. So I got it lifted out. As you can see, it's hella small. For real, it is real hella small. Just taking up about half. I just didn't have it on. As I was saying about the box of stuff. So this is the box. Yep. So it comes with this thingamajiggy. I'm going to read the manual, don't worry. Glue stick, power adapter. Don't know what that is for. Connecting to the computer. Not too sure what this is for. 1 GB SD card. I think it comes preloaded with some models already. Spatula or scraper. Oh, this is also the gauge for checking the X and Y. The Z axis, sorry, for the nozzle. Allen keys and some zip ties. That's what came in the box. All these awesome tools. I'm gonna close my box now. Alright. Take off this piece. I know it's supposed to come with a handle for up here, I think. This is the top. There's this, oh cool. Came with a nice 3D print already on there. They tested it and left the 3D print it did on top of it, which is cool and neat. I like that. This is, I'm guessing, where this filament is feeded through. I'm gonna have to feed it through here, come into there. All the cables, if you ask me, this could have been done a little better. On the base, let me lift it out to this foam here and I'll be back on sir. This just keeps looking smaller and smaller by the minute. So yeah, I just got that out, as you can see here. They'll plate, coolant and everything. Printer, SD card slot. It has some words at the bottom. Refer to manual and follow setup instructions to level the build for palm. Insert SD card and print test model. Well, it looks like they already did that for me, but so I'm gonna do it. I'm the test sample knob, LCD screen. So yeah, this is gonna make making certain projects and different stuff in the future a little easier on me and everything. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace. Remember to subscribe, comment, like. Do all the best you can. Let me build up to the top.